And so it's here, the final day of the 2023 World Rally Championship season. Kalle Rovanperä having already wrapped up his second world title, and Toyota their fourth manufacturer's win since returning to the championship. Today they are on course though to close out their year with a 1-2-3 podium lockout on home soil. Elfyn Evans leading the rally by 1 minute and 15 seconds overnight. He was third fastest on this morning's opening test.
Yeah, I'm not sure there'll be a big post-stage push today, but let's see what happens. Obviously, it's still a long way to go at the moment, so just trying to keep clean.
Meanwhile, M Sport's Oyt Tänak showcased just how tricky the conditions were. Desperate to hang on to fifth place and keep the chasing Takamoto Katsuta at bay, the Estonian was very lucky to get away with this.
Pin it or win it, so we tried to pin it, but not yet. So.
What happened then?
Yeah, understeer, and then there was an escape road, so I understeered there.
Thierry Neuville set the pace on stages 17 and 18, winning both. The Belgian described the stage conditions perfectly, and he didn't mince his words.
Horrible, horrible. I'm making the line everywhere, but yeah. I mean, the general speed is very slow, but still, the width to go off the road is very high.
Takamoto Katsuta, who was not happy with his effort through stage 18, was now just 4 tenths behind Tänak, with 4 stages still to go.
To be honest, I felt so slow. Yeah, there is so difficult condition. For sure, gravel crew did a good job. I had no moments, but some places you could go much quicker. Some places you definitely slowing down.
Tänak was feeling the pressure and seemingly had no answer to the Japanese hero's pace.
We have nothing to fight against him, so nothing we can do there. So yeah, it's tricky, and obviously the balance is so bad, like driving a puncture at the front. So yeah, it's nothing new this year. It's just not working, and we can't do anything.
Back up at the front, Elfyn Evans was doing what he had to do to keep Sébastien Ogier at bay. With snow on the ground, the Welshman persevered in the difficult conditions, and by the midway point of the day had actually extended his lead by nearly 10 seconds.
I thought the last one was bad, but this was even worse, so yeah, it came as a bit of a surprise. Not nice.
Stage 20 now, and for the first time the Toyotas were down on everyone else. Katsuta 10.1 seconds slower than Esa-Pekka Lappi. The Finn needed this. He had been hunted all weekend, but the gap between them was now up to 27 seconds with 2 stages to go.
It felt a bit better than in the morning, but yeah, I said to my engineers that we need a small change, you know, or I need to be able to carry a bit more speed, then I can make better times, and I think I managed to do that. It doesn't feel fast, but it was a bit faster every corner, I think, so the time is a bit better.
Katsuta hadn't given up yet though, and he responded on stage 21 with a fastest time to go 7 seconds quicker than Lappi. But it would be too late. After the stage 1 drama, it's been a spectacular fight back. Stage wins and solid pace, which would surely have seen him fighting for the victory. Instead, Katsuta had to settle for 5th.
Yeah, for sure. In terms of the speed, it was very good. I have to bring to the next year this kind of feeling. But of course, to be honest, I feel really still disappointing a lot.
With Esa-Pekka Lappi confirmed the highest finishing Hyundai in 4th, it was the trio of Toyotas ahead of him that locked out the podium. And what a place to do it, at home in Japan. Kalle Rovanperä in 3rd, with Sébastien Ogier 2nd.
Honestly, I enjoyed a lot this season. I think I mention that every time. I'm glad to have this opportunity doing some races. Still, actually, it ended up being 8, so it's quite a lot.
But it was Elfyn Evans who got all the hard work done on Friday, confirmed as your winner in Japan, leading home that all-important Toyota 1-2-3.
Yeah, obviously it feels pretty nice after last year. It was a big disappointment on the final day. Not easy this year, obviously, with the conditions we had, even if we had a massive gap already on Friday night. So it's been a long weekend, but a massive well done to the team. Obviously the car's been great. A 1, 2, 3, 4 Toyota at home is a mega result, so really proud and happy for everyone.
And just like that, the 2023 season is over. It shall be remembered as one of the toughest. The loss of superstar Craig Breen sent shockwaves through the WRC family. The Irishman remembered always as one of the true heroes of our sport. It's been a memorable year for Toyota. Drivers and manufacturers' titles wrapped up. Congratulations, Kalle Rovanperä and everyone at the Toyota team. That is us done. Thanks for following the coverage. Goodbye.